Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Panasonic CF-33, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert CD card into this device. As you can see here, we have the CD card slot. So firstly we need to open it. As you can see, we have the arrow that's showing in which side we need to push. So push in this side and just close the cover. And here, as you can see, we have the red CD card slot, and here you just need to insert in this way your CD card until you will hear the click sound. You need to insert it until you will hear the click sound. And of course you need to remember that you need to do it when the CD card logo is on the upper part, okay? So it's too easy to do. And now, as you can see, the CD drive is ready to open. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.